Believe it or not, this highlighter was broken and I show you how I fixed it in this video, so just keep on watching. Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to fix broken powder makeup. I remember the first time a powder makeup fell on the floor and broke into pieces, and I was really frustrated because I'm clumsy as hell, but at the same time because I just didn't know how to fix it. But over time, trust me, it wasn't just one time. I have broken a few pieces and now I feel confident that I can fix it, and that's what I want to do for you guys. So let's get right into it. So this is what you're going to need to fix this. You're going to need your broken powder. I'm going to use a knife, but you need to use like a pointy thing. You're also going to need rubbing alcohol. This one is 70%. Use whatever you have at home. And I also like to use this spoon to control how I pour the alcohol into this. And what you're going to do is you're going to break the powder even further. It's going to keep crushing it until it's like very fine. The finer the better. For those of you who don't have a knife, I'm going to show you how to do it with a spoon. To be honest, with the spoon it's so much easier. Okay, so I think this is good enough. It didn't take me long, maybe like a minute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol and I'm going to pour it onto the spoon. If you don't want to mess things up, just take this out of the way. In case you're clumsy like me and pour alcohol everywhere, just pour a tiny bit of alcohol into the spoon. Just a tiny bit will do actually, because this is a small container, and even though my camera doesn't want to focus and you're going to pour it just a tiny bit into the powder. Now the powder is kind of absorbing the liquid and it's going to look like a paste. I feel like I need more alcohol, so I'm going to pour just a tiny bit more. I think that's about enough, and I'm going to try and mix all of this until it becomes a paste. If you leave it like this and not smooth it over, it's gonna dry like this. So you want to take something flat that smooths it. I actually don't have anything, you guys, so I'm just gonna try my best to like push it with the spoon. Like flatten it out with the spoon. You can also use a paper towel, but the paper towel will just like soak everything because it's very wet. You can also use your fingers to smooth it out. Okay, so now what are you gonna do? You're going to wait until it dries. Don't close it out because it won't dry enough. Just leave it like this. Clean the edges with a paper towel so it doesn't look messy after. It's a little less wet now, so I'm trying to like smooth it up a little bit more. So yeah, leave it like this. I would recommend leaving it drying for at least 24 hours. It's not going to be perfect actually, but you know, after it dries, it will be just as good as new. You are going to be able to use it just like if nothing happened. And that's about it, you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. I hope you learned something today, and hopefully after this video you are able to fix your highlighter or your broken eyeshadow. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you on my next video. Bye!